This is Mr. Popham Francis home, the one he created this place in 1963. First he started with the mango trees. While he was a tea plant in upcountry now, so he's coming for the vacations. Then he saw the natural regions happen under the mango trees. Then he gave up that idea to grow mangoes, and he converted it into arboretum using his own method. He saw this natural regeneration happen under these trees. Just for example, when he put a peg here, that's the way he protected the plant. Then he gave up that mango plantation and allowed nature to do the needful. This is very rare, but I have seen only 10-15 times for the last 21 years. This is very rare. This is pangolin. We have two types of sendloris in Sri Lanka. One is in wet soil. Grey sendloris is here. All these plants are naturally regenerated. No? We won't do any planting here. For example, this is one of the very valuable medicinal plant. It's called Maduka longifolia. It was happened, naturally the birds are done the job. Normally we remove only impediments and the invasive species in the ground. Most of the plants in this arboretum are medicinal. It's cancer curing. In Sinhala, this is called Hanahalu. That's the one used for the breast cancer. Nowadays, this is the only survival forest patch in this area. Mr. Popham's main idea was to protect the indigenous and the endemic plant for the future generation. More than 200 years old now. It's growing in a rock. They said, why are you doing such a job? So I said, I want to give more oxygen to the yeah. That's my main ambition is.